Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys a full tutorial on the 7-zip application. If you're interested in this application, make sure to watch till the end of the video. So first, you need to install the 7-zip application. There is a website and the link of this website will be in the description. Here there are different versions. You can select the version you need and click on the download button for that specific version. This will automatically start the download. After you have finished the download, the application will be on your desktop. From this part of the video till the end, there are two parts. Zipping a text file, document, or a folder, and unzipping a zipped folder. The timestamps are on screen right now. So for the first part of the video, I want to zip this folder that is not zipped yet. The thing that I will do is to right click on it and go to the 7-zip section and click on add to archive. This will open a page. Here you can change the name of your file. I'm going to change it to my zipped file folder. Here you can change the archive format. If you want to make a zipped folder, keep it on zip. You can change the other settings, but I prefer you keep them on the default. If you want to keep a password, you can enter the password here. I'm going to make one for my folder. You have to re-enter the password here. Then click on OK. Now we have a folder that is zipped with the same name. When I want to open this folder, it will come. Now, for the second part of the video, I'm going to show you guys how you can unzip a zipped folder. To extract, I will come on the file, right click, 7-zip, extract files. Here I can change the path, I can change the name, and I need to put the password. I will put the password and I will change the name to my unzipped folder. If you don't have a password, it will not ask it from you. And now click on OK. And now as you can see, we have another folder named my unzipped folder. That's it for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to hit the like button and also consider subscribing. Thanks for watching till the end of the video.